Hi everyone and welcome to Laser Answer Tips. I'm Alessia. Today I've got something very special for you. It's a sneak peek from the Swan Lake Ballet Fitness. I redesigned the whole ballet for you to do anywhere in your house with the full music, full-on experience, stage experience without the stage that you can experience at home. And if you really want the full program, click up here and we'll take you right to the Laser Dancers studio. Otherwise, if you're ready for a little bit of Act 1 and a little bit of Act 2, find a space in your home and let's dance. Arabesque and change. 1, 2, change. Again, other side. Change. Bounces. Hello, hello. We are very happy to be here. And down, and down. Again, and down. Only 2, because we prepare. Start from beginning. Change and go. Change, cruise. Thank you, thank you. 1, finish. Two, 3, 4, and 2, 3, 4, 1. Ready for our best? 1. Change. Little chance. 4, 4, 4. 8 with arms. And 8. 4 without arms. 4. Ready. Change. Sharp change. 1, 1, 1. Breathe. Little Tanavais. More cruise. Turn.